CKMC, whose fate was awry, all praised his talent so high. The crowd mourns at the grave, trembling with fear, the living entombed alive. Oh heaven above, open your eyes, should the good be buried in such guise? If redemption were possible, 100 would willingly meet their demise. The yellow birds lament, on the mulberry branch it rests, was buried alive by Duke whose side met with distress. See John being struck by calamity, among 100 his talent was the best. The crowd mourns at the grave, hearts pounding with dread, the living buried in unrest. Oh heaven above, please see, is it right to kill the good? Let them be. If their death could be traded, 100 return to dust willingly. The yellow bird's sorrowful song, on the bramble branch it descends, was buried alive with Duke moved to the end, met with offense. See Jem who suffered brutality, his support among 100 was immense. The crowd mourns at the grave, fear-stricken, the pain of the lived burial